If you crochet, then you need to see this tutorial right now. For this project, I am using hook size number 3 and yarn of medium size. First, we are crocheting the layer flower. So, we are going to start with a slip knot. Now, make 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch into the very first chain to form a circle. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will make 1 half double crochet in this circle. Here we go for the 1. Now we will make chain 2. 1, 2. 1 more half double crochet in the circle. We need a total number of 8 half double crochets. So keep on doing. I'll see you at the end. And also remember to follow the pattern that we need 1 half double crochet, then chain 2. 1 half double crochet and chain 2. We have reached the end. In the end, we have total number of half double crochets 8. So now after chain 2, we will make a slip stitch in the second chain. Now we are going to crochet the first layer of the petal. So what we will do, we will make 1 single crochet. Now chain 1 and 3 double crochets in the very first space. 1, 2, sorry, my yarn just got stuck. 1, here we go for the second one, and here we go for a third one. So we have 3 double crochets. Now after 3 double crochets, make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same space. Like this, the very first petal has been completed. So what we did, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 single crochet. So just watch carefully. We are going to skip this space. In the next space, here we go, we will follow the same pattern. 1 single crochet, chain 1, and now we are going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same space. So the second petal completed. So now what we are going to do is skip this space. In the next space, yes, this one, again we follow the pattern. 1 single crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochets. Here we go for the second double crochet and the third double crochet and chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the space. Now again we are going to skip the next space. This one we are going to skip this, and in the next space we are going to repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochets in the space. And yes, now we are going to do 1 chain stitch and 1 single crochet in the space. So now we have this last space. So in this space we again repeat this pattern. 1 single crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 2, and here we go for the third one. Yeah, now we are going to make the third one. Okay, so here we have completed our all the stitches. Now we are going to make a slip stitch in the very first single crochet that we have made. Now chain 1 and turn your work. As you see this half double crochet, so we are going to make a slip stitch. Yes, here we go. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now go to the next half double crochet, make a slip stitch. In the next one, yes, like this, make a slip stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Again go to the next half double crochet, slip stitch, yeah, make a slip stitch. Sorry, it's just a bit tricky. Yeah, make a slip stitch and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So again go to the next one, the same thing we are doing, chain 3, again slip stitch in the half double crochet. So just keep on doing this pattern. I'll see you at the end. Just simple, make a slip stitch and chain 3. Alright, here we have reached our last half double crochet. Now pull the yarn, cut it and weave the end. Now we are going to crochet this second layer of petals. So here I am going to change the color. The color choice is all up to you. So the same, we start with a slip knot and take our flower. Now just watch carefully. We are going to work in these loops that we have crocheted. So the pattern is almost same. Just start with a one single crochet. Yes, chain 1, and now we are going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 1, yes, and one single crochet in the same space. See, the very first petal has been completed. Now move on to the next 3 chain space. Yes, this is space. Yes, here we go. We are going to work in the next 3 chain space. Now start with the one single crochet, chain 1 and 5 double crochets. Here we go for the first, second double crochet, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. Now chain 1 and one single crochet in the very same space. So the 2 petals has been completed. Okay, now we have to repeat this pattern across in all the 3 chain spaces. So keep on doing. I'll see you at the end. Here we have reached at the end. So after the one single crochet, we will make a slip stitch in the very first single crochet that we have made. Now chain 1, turn your work and slip stitch in between these 2 petals. Yes, the slip stitch. Just watch carefully. Yeah, in between these 2 petals. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go to the next. Again we will make a slip stitch in between these 2 petals. Here we go, the slip stitch. Now again chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go to the next one. Slip stitch in between the 2 petals and again chain 4. We are going to repeat this same pattern like the slip stitch in between the 2 petals and chain 4. Just keep on doing this pattern. I'll see you at the end. Here we have reached at the end. Now after the chain 4, make a slip stitch in the very first slip stitch that we have made. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. The weaving the ends of your project is a very important step, so just keep doing. Okay, now we are going to change the color again. So for the third petal, again we are going to work in this chain space. So the pattern is same. We start with the one single crochet, chain 1, and this time we are going to make 7 double crochets. The first one, here we go, the second one, the double crochet, the third double crochet, the fourth double crochet, the fifth one, the sixth one, and here we go for the last, the seventh one. Now chain 1 and again one single crochet in this space. Now move to the next space, and also we are going to follow the same pattern. One single crochet, chain 1 and 7 double crochets in the space. 1 2 3 4, and here we go for the fifth one, the sixth one, and the final, the seventh one. It's completed. Now chain 1 and one single crochet in the space. So this is how our petal looks. So just keep on repeating this pattern in all the chain spaces. So once you are done, I'll see you at the end. So alright girls, we have reached the end. Now we'll make a slip stitch in the very first single crochet and chain 1, and now turn your work like this, and we are going to make a slip stitch in between the two petals like this. Here we go for the slip stitch. Alright, now we'll make 1 2 3 and 4 5 chains. Now move to the next slip stitch in the two petals, between the two petals. 1 2 3 4 5 chains, again slip stitch. Okay, here we go. Now again 1 2 3 4 5 chains, and again slip stitch in between the two petals. 1 2 3 4 5 and slip stitch. Here we go. Again keep on repeating this pattern: slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch and chain 5. So this is it looks a bit difficult, but it's actually very easy. So I just hope you girls are enjoying this tutorial, and also remember to follow and subscribe your Crochet Buddy. I am also on the Facebook, so do follow me there. So alright girls, we almost reached the end. Now after chain 5 we will make a slip stitch in the very first stitch that we have made. Now cut the yarn and weave the end. The fourth layer we are going to start. So we are going to start with the one single crochet and chain 1, and this time we are going to do 9 double crochets. 1 2, oops, sorry, yeah, the first one we already did. Now again the second one, the third, fourth double crochet, fifth double crochet, sixth double crochet, here we go, the seventh, eighth and 9, yeah, the last one, the 9. Now again what we will do, we will make one chain, yeah, one chain and one single crochet in the space. So here the first petal of the fourth layer completed. See, now move on to the next chain space. Here we go. Again the same, we are going to do one single crochet, chain 1 and 9 double crochets. So keep on repeating this pattern across. Okay, so here we have reached at the end. Now make a slip stitch and just pull the yarn and cut it, and remember to weave in the ends. The layer flower is completed, so you can use this flower anywhere as a decoration on hats, on sweaters. So here I have this little bead. It's totally optional. I just use a little glue and stick it. If you don't want to use these beads, it's totally up to you. Alright girls, so this is a small box and I'm decorating it with this flower, and the steps are super simple. Just watch carefully. I'm using a glue gun and carefully fixing it onto the box. So stay with me and keep on watching. Now I take this flower and put it on the box and just press it gently to fix it nicely. Just a little press, not a hard one, just a little press, and here we go. Our flower is almost done. So look, it looks so pretty, so beautiful. Okay, now we have this lace. So the simple step that I am following is just a little glue and put this lace and glue it nicely, just like this. See, I'm nothing doing any fancy or technical things that you might not get it. It's so simple, just as any lace that you have right now with you, you can use it. So, and just this small thing can really make a big difference. And just press it little and see, here we go, we almost done. So just keep on doing. Again, I'll see you at the end of this process. We have reached at the end, so just a little glue on the lace, so just a little overlapping it, not a lot, and cut it carefully. So it will give a finished look to this decorative box. You can use this box as to keep your precious belonging like your jewelries, and you can use as a little gift box as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so remember to subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. Bye.